This campaign is starting to be a real pain in the neck.
I have the perfect thing to help relieve all neck pains.
Wow, is it that Warm Buddy Ultra Shoulder Wrap that gives of a great warm moist penetrating heat?
That's the one I use. It really helps my neck tension and really helps relax the shoulders so they're not up around my ears all day long.
I use mine around the house and while watching TV. It fits so comfortably around the shoulders.
Okay, that's great. Now can we get back to the campaign task?